Hello. This video I think will be very helpful to anyone interested in drawing a manga head, a basic manga head. It'll be of great value also to beginning artists in particular who wish to know more about the proportions of the head. I'm Michael Coxon, and in this video I'd like to show you how we can simply divide the head into its main sections. The drawing is not meant to be highly finished or anything like that. It's a study where we practice doing this kind of drawing. So I've done a brief drawing on the side, just a few minutes, and I'm just showing you how I've divided the rectangle into thirds, making a grid pattern. This is a very convenient system and very helpful to artists who wish to draw up once they've got the basic ideas down. They can draw up and enlarge and then make finished product. So this head we can see is I've basically divided into a vertical line right down the middle and a horizontal line showing where the eyes would be. That's about halfway. When we are doing this kind of drawing on a grid like this, it's as I say, it's a very convenient system. You can do lots and lots of small pictures like this, and it's very convenient because you can enlarge the picture to any size as long as it's in the same ratio. And yeah, so just keep your lines light. Don't try to worry about detail. Don't get too fiddly. This is just a basic structure. The head is divided into the hairline to the eyebrows to the end of the nose, and the nose to the chin. And those three areas are approximately divided into thirds. Of course, it varies with different heads, but the manga head will almost always have the well, if you want to make a young sort of female or male figure, you'd have the eyes just underneath that horizontal line. The position of the eyes, it really determines the age of the character, and this is good to keep in mind particularly when you're drawing panels with the same character. You want to be able to know who it is, so you know if the person, in this case, this female high school student, she's about 15 or so, and so her eyes will be in a certain position. Her teacher's eyes would be much higher than hers. And so I'm just writing out for you here the various points in the face. If you keep this in mind always when you're drawing, it'll become second nature after a while, and you'll be able to understand the proportions. So I'm going to show you something at the end of this video which I think will help you very much to it's a very convenient device that I'd like to point out to you. I wish people had told me when I was an art student about this sort of idea, but I'll just leave it for a moment now and just let you watch the rest, and I'll come back at the end and give you this little extra item. If you subscribe, please write a comment, and I'd like to get back and answer your comment if I've can do that, and I'll try my best. Just say something, even if I subscribed would do, that would suffice. It's a simple matter of subscribing. It makes it, I get an idea of what people would like to see later on in their in my series of videos. So I will be producing a lot of these manga drawings. I'll go into more and more detail as we proceed, but I'm really aiming for the moment on the person who wants to get the proportions right. So I'll come back at the end. So everyone, you'll see coming on the screen now a template which is so easy to make. Just make it out of firm cardboard and divide it into thirds and also halves. It's so convenient, this little template, and I use it for a double page as well. It's 10 by 8 centimeters, and if you make yourself one of these, it's terrific for any form of art, not just manga. You can use it for landscape or for any form of sort of picture, really, where you want to sort of test out ideas. You can fit about 4 of these on an A4 sheet. It's a great little idea for anyone who wants to keep reproducing pictures, to test out composition, to test out color, and it's free. So you can't beat that. So as I suggested before, if you could subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed, or whatever you thought about this, how would you like me to do this sort of thing. I'm happy to learn from you. So I'll definitely try and get back to you and answer your comments. So thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. These are about once a week.